Sweet potato cornbread right there, y'all. Oxtails on that rice right there, y'all. We got the collard greens right there. We got the macaroni and cheese, stir fry off the menu, fresh vegetables over white rice. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV, and got my brother right there, man.
What up, though?
Actor Tobias Trevelyan.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
You pushing it, Cookie.
Oh, that's what I do.
No. Mr. D Major. Oh, the god of the aces himself.
Police! I'm a cop. You got a badge. Let you talk to people like that. Step back! Step the fuck back!
And guess where we at, man? We are not in Newark. We are in Staten Island. Every time I come to Staten Island, it just seems different. It's kind of like I'm in the city and the country at the same time. But we're gonna go over here and check out this soul food spot that Tobias has suggested and Tim B suggested. I gotta give it up to Tim B. Two people suggested this spot. Yo, it better be good. Look, y'all, it's called Shaw-naé's house. Word is born. Yo, I smell weed. That's it right there, Shaw-naé's house.
When I'm in Staten Island, I always go to my favorite place, which is Shaw-naé's house. This is what Stapleton, I think it's Stapleton, the birth of the Wu-Tang is popping. Oh, yo, Shaw-naé's right here outside as we speak. What up, baby? I love you.
381 Van Duzer Street. You gotta come to the #1 soul food restaurant on Staten Island, but also in New York City.
What are some of the struggles as a female entrepreneur here in Staten Island?
Well, I am one of one, WON. Victoriously, I'm the only black woman that is doing it this big. And I am up against the struggle of all white males, all Italian restaurants, mostly, that make a name for themselves. But my name is outshining. So it's like really not a struggle. It's just like you just have to embrace it and just walk with it.
Okay. Gotta walk with it. Like I'm about to walk inside and eat.
Exactly.
What are the benefits of being an entrepreneur, self-employed?
You don't have to have a uniform.
Oh.
You do have to be told what time. Come on, baby, I love you. I appreciate you. My returning character right here. I love my cousin. Yes. This is the beauty of being an entrepreneur. I get to meet people in my community that I love. Yes.
Well, I like
Tell
that.
us about your menu.
My menu is lit.
Yes, it is.
It is extremely unique. It is not soul food, what you would believe is traditional soul food, that is chicken and collard greens. It's not that. This is food that is about an experience. This is an experience from the time you walk in until the time you walk out. You are totally changed. You are totally new. You are totally anointed and refreshed because this food is fresh.
Yes.
This food cares. This food loves you.
Top
because
notch, too.
It is
She always got
absolutely
top
top
ingredients.
tier.
I've been
Right.
shopping with her. She don't skip on her ingredients, people.
And I do get the opportunity to use Tobias's fabulous sea moss in all my stuff.
Oh, yeah. Let's
Along
talk about
with,
that moss.
yes, the sea moss gets infused in our collard greens and our sauces for our oxtail and anything else that we can create and move like gravy. Because
But what
it's like
about
so
us, plant-based people?
plant-based people get
Yeah, that's
things
right.
that are fresh, that are seasonal, and that are made with love right there on the spot. So these things don't show up on a menu because I believe that because of the type of discipline that they have, they need to be fed something that is extremely fresh and from the ground.
So, I forgot, Matt. Can you go back to your to the give back that you do every week?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's so important because not only is he an entrepreneur here in the community, but I mean they give back so much. Just talk about how you do the food pantry, the
Yes.
food pantry thing.
So our
bank.
outdoor food bank
Yeah.
or food pantry is something that we do pretty much all year long, but during the seasons where fresh vegetables are harvested, we have partnerships with Grow New York City and other local farmers that come and bring us vegetables. And so we give out the fresh vegetables, and we also give out high quality meat, proteins, other things for your pets. We provide the tables out here, and our community comes out and takes those things freely as they want, pretty much, like I said, all year long, but it is very abundant during the warmer seasons. It's very, very fabulous, and that's a part of our nonprofit organization that's So Dope Corp.
I'm hungry.
All right, let's go eat. Let's go.
go.
You good?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You sure?
I'm
You
good.
sure?
You
Because
wanna
now
walk
you're
in
getting ready,
Shaw-nae's
getting
house?
ready to go
Let's walk
home
in.
and eat
Let's
dinner.
walk in.
Let's go.
Let's go in.
That's what I like. Yeah.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Welcome to my house.
Let
Smothered turkey wings.
let the man order, but he like
Oxtails.
You want oxtail?
Oxtails with white rice. Y'all see that?
Catfish, fried whiting.
Catfish sounds delicious. What kind of ribs? Spare ribs? Okay. So we're gonna do collard
Cabbage,
greens.
string beans. You want that?
Yeah, do you have like grabbage? That's collard greens and cabbage mix?
No. Well, you can do that if you want.
Okay, let's just do
do
the
that.
collard.
I can do
Let's
that
just
for
do
you.
the collard greens.
I'm
No, I
Tobias order off the menu, Trevelyan. You ain't Tobias order off the menu.
All right, so we're gonna do collard
You
greens.
can have both.
We're gonna do the collard greens and the mac and cheese.
Okay.
All right.
And oxtail.
OMG.
Potato cornbread.
Sweet potato cornbread right there, y'all. We about to go in.
And somebody wanted coffee?
So there's sweet potatoes on top of the cornbread.
Welcome, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
So far, so good, brother.
Oh, without a doubt.
I just gotta taste it, y'all. I'm gonna wait till my meal come out before I really dig into this, but this like has the sweet potatoes right here on the side. I'm not even gonna say sweet potatoes. Those are definitely candy yams. You taste that nutmeg, man, that vanilla flavoring. You taste that cinnamon. It's delicious.
Wow.
Okay, word is born. Y'all heard me say word is born, right? That's a New Jersey thing. That means you telling the truth. That is delicious, y'all. We're gonna come back to that. Okay, y'all, this is just too much, right? All I want is some coffee, right? But we being blessed here. Wow. She's trying to sneak up on us, y'all. There's some oxtails on that rice right there, y'all. We got the collard greens right there. We got the macaroni and cheese. Okay, what did Tobias get?
Off the menu.
Stir fry off the menu, fresh vegetables over white rice.
Stir fry off the
you
menu,
got
fresh
the-
vegetables
you got the
over
sesame.
white rice. What is? Are those mushrooms?
No,
The,
those are meatballs.
meatball,
Okay.
vegan meatball.
Vegan meatballs, man. Look.
Palm salad,
And what's this?
String beans, turkey
We need
wing, and
palm
jerk rice.
salad. Not that needed.
That's a turkey wing, y'all, and jerk
Yes,
rice.
and jerk.
Get back. Yo, we here at Shaw-nae's, man, and so far the experience has been absolutely awesome. We're in New York City, man. It's Staten Island, but this is New York City.
Word is born.
I'm going straight into the oxtails, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game.
Look at it. It looks
Big
gorgeous.
shout out, man, to actor extraordinaire Tobias Trevelyan for being a down-to-earth brother, down-to-earth cat. Even though he's a young cat, man, he's kind of like old school too. He be knowing things somebody his age shouldn't know.
That's right. That's true.
All right, let's. Oh! I feel the bones in these oxtails, man. They look nice. These oxtails look tender. Let's see how they taste. Yo, I thought these were oxtails, but they butter.
They butter.
Just like butter, baby.
Just like butter, baby.
Oh, these are good. They are meaty, tender. I taste some type of pepper spice in here too. Absolutely delicious.
He humming a tune, you know it's good.
Y'all know how I feel about music in clubs, right? Or with restaurants. If I'm sitting there humming the tune, I done just faded into the place, man. The atmosphere in here is 100% authentic and genuine and beautiful. So for the rice. Next, I'm going for the greens, y'all. Oh, wow.
Greens and cabbage.
You got the collard greens and cabbage mix?
What do you call it?
I call it grabbage.
Grabbage.
I stole that though from someone. The greens and the cabbage are well seasoned. I mean, they are seasoned to perfection, y'all.
Wow.
I'm going right into the macaroni and cheese so I can just get through with it, so I can relax, turn these cameras off, and enjoy the atmosphere. All right. Uh-oh. That's that mac and cheese right there. Check it out. It has like that baked cheese on the top, you know, where it's not soggy. You taste that little crispiness with it. What do they call that? When they braise the cheese like that?
And they braise it, right? Yeah. Scorched. It's called baked. Baked mac.
Real creamy. You know what?
That ain't your craft cheese there.
This not those Kraft boxes that we used to get in the hood. The ones in my cupboard.
There you go.
Man, this is the best mac and cheese I've had in the last year. For real. And I can't remember past the last year, so I'm gonna just go ahead and say. And I like, because I always notice the mild cheese, and I love the mild cheese, but definitely it's a perfect mix of mild and sharp cheese here.
Yep.
All right. Was that turkey wing mom's?
Yeah.
The buyer said yeah.
No,
Yo, it is the chef, y'all.
Yeah.
Chef is here. There you go. Look, word is born.
Ain't she beautiful?
See the truth. Y'all thought this was a game. Y'all better come out here. I'm gonna break into this turkey, y'all. Y'all couldn't see me breaking into it.
Oh no, that was
Wow.
What it was?
I'm pulling out this turkey, y'all. It's really tender. You know how some turkey wings are gritty? This is really tender, and the gravy that she's using to smother it, it tastes freaking delicious. Y'all know I don't be cussing and stuff, but this some damn good wings right here. Word is born. Oh, that gravy is the bomb. Wow. So, oh, what kind of rice was this again?
jerk chicken rice.
Jerk chicken rice. Let's check it out.
I see you got your staff in order.
I like the jerk chicken
I
rice.
told you.
Y'all know I'm not a big rice lover, but I love the different spices that just kind of like popped in my mouth. All right, let's go back down. Let's go back to this cornbread. See that cornbread, y'all? See that right there? Look, cinnamon. Is that cinnamon or chocolate? That's cinnamon. But it has some sweetener on it. Delicious. Let's break into the cornbread, y'all. Cornbread. Oh, I'm getting deeper into the collard greens now.
And hold on to this.
The collard greens and cabbage are, I'm telling you, once again, I know I said this, they are seasoned to perfection. I'm done, man. I'm gonna sit here, talk with my friend Tobias. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Y'all have a beautiful day. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. All right, y'all, we leaving. I'm telling you, we leaving. That is, yo, I'm telling you, man, it's like, it's at the ceiling. Honestly, man, I mean, honestly, that is the best meal that I've had. And they were laughing at me, right? Because I was stuck.
Hey, man.
The best meal that I've had, man, over here in New York. Yeah, we're going to hang out with Tobias more, man, because this was definitely a great choice. And this young lady she already know. Look, she been eating her home food. She dancing.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks again. Yeah, thank you. Got that smoke over there in the background.
Yeah, I know, right?